Oh, HDMI. Ow. This right here is the Kaico open source scan converter, and if you are into playing games on older consoles like I am, then this thing is going to change your life. And ladies and gentlemen, here it is. The thing that's going to make all your retro games look that much better. Because this thing should allow you to go from analog standards and convert it to HDMI, allowing you to play your favorite old games at higher quality and on more modern TVs. So for inputs, you have 3 different options, us old dinosaurs will remember. What am I even saying? I'm only 20. Anyway, you can connect up VGA, component AV, and also SCART. However, one weird thing that's missing here is composite, even though it is the way more popular cousin to component video, so that's kind of a shame. But no, this isn't simply some cheap analog to digital converter. There's a lot more that goes on with the conversion in this tiny thing, which is reflected by its rather high price tag. Now let's take a closer look at it. Apart from the 3 video inputs, you also have these 2 audio inputs / outputs, which are kind of confusing, as one of them is both an input and an output, and the other is just an input. And then when you turn it around, you find this tiny label that says micro SD. That's right, apparently this thing has micro SD, and it honestly took me a while to find it, because it's actually kind of well hidden under here, and the whole thing sits into place on these 3 layers of acrylic, which form actually a rather nice miniature table. I used mine to store my earbuds. But now I'll let you see exactly how well this thing works, starting off with a console that is a favourite for me and many other people, that being the PS2. Now in theory this should be all pretty easy to set up. First thing though, however, is that it requires its own power, so just gonna do that quickly. Then we just plug in our 3 video component cables, and then we have one more matter to address, that is audio. Now for audio, you are going to need an adapter like this one, which converts your audio to just kind of a standard headphone microphone jack. And then you plug it in somewhere, I believe it's here, hopefully. And let's see exactly how it goes. Oh yeah, I need a HDMI cable as well. Oh, HDMI. Ow. Okay, I'm going to just do this quickly because something just zapped me. Anyway, now let's see if we can connect up something as old as a PS2 to my new 4K Aorus FV43U display, which I covered on this channel before. So if you want to learn more about it, then definitely check out the review up in the iCards. Do it. Do it right now. I'll wait. And obviously there's only one game we can test this with. A game I'm more familiar with than even the layout of my own house. That is Need for Speed Underground 2. Okay, HDMI time, and whoa. Okay, that's progress. I mean, everything should be working. It's like connected. Oh, okay. Just press something. Is it gonna do anything? I can't tell if I'm just missing something obvious, or is this just way more complicated setup than I ever imagined. I don't get it. It's set to the correct color output. It's detecting it, but still just producing nothingness. I give up. I give up. No matter what I do, it just doesn't want to display on a PS2. So if it doesn't want to display on something so relatively new, let's see exactly how painful this is going to be on something a bit older. So let's try the Amiga. Okay, the system's on, the OSSC is also on, and we have something going on already. Okay, moment of truth. Is this going to work? Whoa, 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 whoa! I am watching the output from an Amiga via HDMI. I'm speechless. This is beautiful. I have no idea what's going on as well. Okay, so it does actually work. It's working really well. The image is super crisp, at least for the standards of the time. But then why on earth didn't it work for the PS2? But anyway, if you can get this thing working, the results, even in this demo thingy, clearly it looks really, really good. Naturally, you're still working with old analog signals, but you're also working with great games and memories that you just can't get anywhere else, so this is as good as it's going to look. So I am really excited to try this out. If I do get the PS2 thing working, I am going to do a video on that on this very channel, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you have any ideas on how to fix that issue, please let me know down in the comments below. And if you want to get the box yourself, then our Amazon links to it are going to be down in the video description below. And hey, if you like this video and you want to help make sure that this channel can get more expensive purchases like this one in the future, then the best way to do that is to support us on Patreon, because even just one single $1 a month truly goes a long way, while you get awesome perks as well. I'd also like to thank my existing patrons: Gavin Burns, Ryan LKB, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcraft Lansby, and Jesse Hubman. Thank you guys so much. Support truly goes a long way. Down there you're also going to find our Discord server, our merch store, and our social media links as well. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember, subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all whenever I make next. Goodbye everyone, goodbye.